Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. In this video, I'm going to select a winner for the Maker's Rock album art collaboration using my radial arm saw random Maker's Rock album art selector. I had 7 eligible comments on my video, so 7 eligible entries. I got them right here on my saw blade or my spinning wheel of random selectedness machine. I'm going to install this on the radial arm saw random generator machine. I'll tighten that up and we'll select a winner. Alright, so I have the random generator selector machine radial arm saw thingamajigger set up for the Maker's Rock album art winner selection. We'll get this revved up to speed and we'll see who wins. Whoever hits the winner tape will be the winner. Here we go. We'll get this thing revved up here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! It's in between. I didn't think about what that Try it again. Big money, big money. Okay, I didn't plan this out very well. Let's just hit lines or something. Come on, hand on some tape. That looks like number 5 to me. Number 5 is the winner! Alright, let's go find out who number 5 is. Alright, so the radial arm saw radial randomizer selector tool selected number 5 of the eligible comments. So based on that, it is comment number 8. So let's scroll down here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool cover, shared on Facebook and on my Tri-County Scrollers page. He meets the criteria. The winner is Dave Hart. Awesome job, man. Send me a private message and I'll get you your AC/DC The Razor's Edge album art to you.